Hello everyone. My name is Cisco Packet and my student ID is 2023072232. And in this video, I will demonstrate the complete implementation of the ABC company network in the Cisco Packet Tracer, which will include the VLANs, inter-VLAN routing, Ether channel, RIP routing, DHCP configuration, and access control list, and also includes the before and the after ACL behavior, Ethernet channel status, and the DHCP auto address assignment. You can see this is the network topology overview of the ABC company, where I explain the implemented network that consists of two branches, Melbourne and Sydney, and that connected through a ISP router, and Sydney contains both static and the DHCP network, and the envelope contains the VLAN 10, which is IT department, and the VLAN 20, which is HR department, and with the Ethernet channel enabled between the two switches. So let's start with the let's start with the inter VLAN routing inter VLAN routing demonstration in Melbourne. Let's start to do the inter VLAN in the switches 3 and switches 4. As you can see, the IT department and the HR department, both VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 are active in the switch 3. And likewise, we're gonna do in the same also in the, you can see here also the same, the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 are active, which shows that the VLANs 10 and VLANs 20 are both active on the switch 3 and the switch 4 for the Melbourne router. And also we're gonna show the IP interface, where we can confirm that the interface sub interface for the IT gateway and the ITHR gateway are active. So let's start with the IP interface brief. You can see that the two sub interface G O slash os dot 10 and G O slash 20. This is for the IT department and this is for the HR department. Both are the setups and the protocols are up, which means both are active. And let's start with the Ethernet channel demonstration. So we're gonna do the Ethernet channel demonstration on in the switches. We're gonna check that the interchannel are active. You can see the ports which I use for the both switches 3 and switches 4 are shown here, and it shows that helps for functioning, and both ports are bundled using the LSCP. And similarly on the switch 4, so likewise the same as the switch 3, you can see both four ports are shown. It shows that both are connected with the four ports 20, 21, 22, and bundled by LSCP. Let's do the routing demonstration, where we're gonna verify that the in-to-in dynamic routing are using RIB2. Let's start with the Melbourne. I'll just show in Melbourne because it will automatically show that both in ISP and routing are shown in ISP and the Sydney. So it will automatically show both are. So you see the two subnets, it can show that both ISP and Sydneys are connected to the Melbourne. That's the same vice for that's the same for the Sydney also. And now let's start with one of the important for this video is the DHCP demonstration where I have to demonstrate the DHCP functionality. I will just add the new PC on the Sydney Dynamic network where we're gonna that the configure that the service that the DHCP service is working correctly. So I will just add to PC on here. Just here, and I will just connect with the copper. I'll just keep anything I want. I'll just have to connect the fast Ethernet so it will go through faster. And we are just to boost it. You can see it's being successful. Now it's PC. I'll just do it here and in IP configurations. It's saying requesting IP address, and you can see the DHCP successfully request. The DHCP requested successfully on the new PCs. Same for the another new PC for also. I'll just do DHCP. And here you can also see the DHCP request is successful. We can see that the DHCP service is working correctly. I'll just click this one. This one also. Yeah. So now let's start with the ACL, the important one, AC access list. But I will show you before applying the ACL and after applying the ACL. So what I will do is, so that's all right. So I will just do the ping command. I'll just ping 172.1.0. It's gonna take some time, but it will be. You can see it's saying the 25% loss, but I will do it again. It will, you see, it's pinging 100%. There is 0% loss in PC3. It will be same for the this one also. 0.10. So you see, 0% loss. That's it. That was before ACL applying. You can see it's pinging in both. But after we applying AC 1010 in the Sydney, you will see the different thing. Let's start with the configuration for that one. Let's start with this one. Axis is the list under 10 remark. Sorry. Allow IT VLAN on axis. It's the list under 10 permit IP 10.32.10.0. 0.0.0. This is the subnet that I use just now. 70.2. I'll just this one here. We 25 and access. I will have to deny the permit. I have to deny the HR 0.32.0.0 subnets. I have denied one. Sorry, my bad. I sorry. My bad. This is list 110 IP permit. We're gonna see. Wait a minute. We're gonna see that the permit IP any zero/0/0 and we're gonna IP access 110. Let's end it. Yeah. So this ACL ensures that only the IT VLAN can access the server with while HR VLAN is blocked. Now let's do the demonstration after the ACL. After applying the ACL, PC1, you see, it will do the that it will do the 0% loss. That's what we want. We want to allow the PC3, which is IT department, VLAN 10, VLAN. Uh, we have to we have to allow the IT VLAN and we have to block the HR VLAN. Let's try with this one. You see, the destination host is unreachable. It means that the HR VLAN is blocked successfully. You see the 100% loss. If you want to check it here, I can do it from here also. What I can do is I will just send masses from here to here. You will see it's a fail. So it shows that the ACL is successfully done in the both one. And also now let's do the ACL verifications. So I will just do the ACL verifications on the filter interactive is active and you can show. You see it's permit on the third and it's denied. I'm just checking here also. Oh my bad, sorry. So it's only for the Sydney because I forgot that one. Let's forget that one. So you can see it was successfully that command is it counts showing that how many packets match permit or deny the rules and correct it confirms that the ACL is actively filtering the incoming traffic on the GOG Slack. So this video demonstrates the complete configurations and the verifications of the VLANs, inter-VLANs routing, inter-channel, and DHCP routing address allocations, and each stage confirms that the network is functioning correctly according to the company's requirements, ensuring reliability, security, and scalability for the future expansion. So that's all for today. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you.